Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Maxwell from Dandy's World. So let's get started. To draw cute Maxwell, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here and draw this big oval. But I'm going to start in the center of this oval at the top. So let's start by here. And I'm going to bring it down to create this big oval. And as I come to about right here, before finishing it, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve right here to connect. And then let's do the same thing on the other side, but we're going to, let's do it this way. Come across, say about this wide, and we're going to do the same thing, but this time it's going to be a complete oval. So say about right there. And connect. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back in here and we need to draw another oval inside, maybe towards this edge a little bit more. So let's come about right here. And I guess I'll hit this top part right here and connect. And then go ahead and just shade this all in. Right there, and then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So a little bit more towards this edge. And shade it in. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw his mouth. So in between the eyes, about right here underneath, maybe the center of this eye, I'm going to go ahead and then draw this curve going upwards to the other eye, and then just widen it up. And then from there, let's find the center and add a slight slant. Go ahead and put in some lines, so maybe one there and another one, two right there. So now that we have that, we need to draw his hair. So the reason we have this is because there's going to be a strand of hair over his eye. So let's continue this, and we're going to go up to say about right there. I'm going to bring it down over his other eye. Just curve it down. Past his eye a little bit, go back up just a little bit, and about right there, we're going to bring down a curve next to his eye. About right there. Then from there, let's see here, let's finish off this strand. So we're going to continue this, make it nice and round, kind of like a basically drip of wax is what we're trying to draw here. And then let's draw another one here. So using the side of this eye, I'm going to come right about here and draw another curve. Right there. And then we're going to bring this up, over, and we're just going to draw a curve for the top of his head to about right there. And then we're just going to bring it down to the other side. So other side, we're going to end about, let's say about right here. So I'll just give myself a point and curve to there and bring this down. So then let's finish this part up. We're just going to draw a nice big curve for a strand of hair to finish it off. Then from there, let's come back to say about right here, the center of this strand, and we're going to draw a curve for his face. So we're just going to go around, just a simple curve. And the same thing here, maybe the center of this, just go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. And of course we need to add two more strands, so let's come out right about here And just pop out one. And then another one, kind of matching this side. So I'll just drag this across about right here. And just pop it in. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back to center before I forget. And we need to draw the wick. So this will be our center. I'm just going to go left and right a little bit. And just draw this little rectangle at the top. Now that we have that all done, let's go ahead. I almost forgot. We're going to come back to the eye and we're going to draw this very important detail over his eye. So we're just going to go up just to give him more character. And same thing on the other side. There. What a difference that makes, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw his body. So I am going to come about right here. And here we need to draw a collar for him. So I'm going to come here and just draw a little line. And before I finish that little line, I'm going to draw a spike. So I'm going to curve and connect. So same thing here, curve and then connect. And then in the center, we're going to add a circle. And just continue this line down just a little bit. Same thing here, and then connect for his collar. There. And then we can add two more in the back right here just for some details. So just the points right there. Make this a little bit shorter. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and come down one more level. We're going to angle out right about here and just curve in on both sides. And then we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Zigzag. And then underneath this part is going to be his tummy. So we're just going to connect that with a curve. There, all these different levels, right? Then from there, let's draw his legs. So with center, go to the left, go to the right. And from there, we're just going to draw maybe about right here and here. Just draw two angle lines. Same thing here. And then from there, let's go ahead and connect it. I'll work on this side first. We're going to draw his boot. So just give it a little curve on the outside. And then we're going to continue down. And this side is going to kind of go out. And about right there, just pop it out. And connect. Nice and simple boot. So same thing here. Curve. Curve. Slight angle, and then about right there. Connect. There. Just a little thinner. Okay, so now we have that. Let's draw his arms. So they're going to kind of be on his hips. So let's come about right here. Come out, and then in here, just going to draw two angle lines. That's where it bends, and so then we're going to thicken it up, come out, and then has a little flow to his sleeves, and just bring it in. Then we're going to tuck his hands right in here, so let's come about here, and then curve around. So same thing on the other side. Just drag these points across about right here. And once again about here. Bring it out just like the other side. Approximate, and then once again his hands. Here, and then curve. And connect. There. And I believe that is pretty much it. And I'm going to, let's see here, let's just add, we'll add a little heart right here. Sneak it in to make this my Draw So Cute Waxwell from Dandy's World. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.